Hello my dear viewers, just a quick showcase of the knife that I use for my carvings. All of them are carved with my Malanika Puukko, which handle is made out of Alforine and blade is made out of Elmex. I only sharpened it once, and it was before I did all of that. So the blade still is razor sharp, very nice, very well made blade, my favorite at this moment. And yeah, just a quick look around what you can do when you have a good knife, and it's not that it takes like crazy long to do it. It is pretty quick. This grind makes quick work. Yep, that's it. Just wanted to show you a quick view of my favorite carving blade. Yeah, so, and the sheath of course is also, if I can get, oops, focus, no focus on this. Focus on this. Yes. The sheath is also a work of art itself. I made this one myself. It's not actually that great. But yeah, sheath is very nice. It actually has some wood that protects the leather. A kind of wood inlay in here, so also nice. Yeah, so let's put the knife back. Yeah, and that's it. Malanika Puukko, great knife. See you later. Bye bye.